Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphones are no longer under wraps. The Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 have now been fully exposed through real-world leaks, and this time it goes far beyond the usual renders or early rumors. Actual unboxing videos are already making rounds online, offering a complete preview of these devices well before their official debut. These unboxing clips are reportedly emerging from Thailand, where the Galaxy A57 5G is already being sold in physical stores. It's quite surprising. Imagine casually scrolling through social media and suddenly seeing a brand new phone being unboxed before it's even announced. That's exactly the situation right now. Multiple videos showcase the device in various color options, giving a clear look at its design, build quality, and overall finish. Interestingly, this is not an isolated case. A similar situation recently occurred with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which surfaced early in Dubai ahead of launch. Now, both the Galaxy A57 and A37 appear to be following the same pattern, popping up in different regions before their official unveiling. This trend suggests that Samsung is finding it increasingly difficult to keep its upcoming devices completely under wraps. What makes this leak particularly significant is that these phones haven't just appeared online, they've actually been spotted in a retail environment. Reports indicate that both models were listed at an authorized retailer in Thailand called CamTV. This moves the situation from a simple leak to a full retail-level reveal, including detailed pricing, storage configurations, and even official accessories. Starting with the Galaxy A57 5G, the listed model features 12GB of RAM and a massive 512GB of internal storage. That's an unusually high configuration for a mid-range device and signals Samsung's intent to push its A series closer to flagship territory. The retail price for this variant is set at 29,999 Thai baht, although a promotional offer reportedly lowers it to 17,999 baht, making it far more appealing for buyers seeking premium-like specs at a reduced price. On the other hand, the Galaxy A37 sits slightly lower in the lineup but still offers solid specifications. The listed version includes 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is more than sufficient for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Its price is expected to be around 13,999 Thai baht, placing it comfortably within the mid-range segment and making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Another detail revealed through the retail listing is the availability of official accessories. The store displayed protective cases designed specifically for these devices, with prices ranging from 199 to 690 Thai baht. This suggests that Samsung is planning a complete ecosystem from day one, allowing users to purchase accessories alongside their phones without waiting for third-party options. Beyond hardware, there's also a notable software feature that has surfaced. The Galaxy A57 5G is expected to include a new AI-powered tool called Transcript Assist. This feature is designed to convert voice recordings and phone conversations into text in real time, adding a strong productivity angle to the device. In practical terms, this could be extremely useful. Students can record lectures and instantly turn them into notes. Professionals can document meetings without manual effort. Journalists and content creators can transcribe interviews quickly without relying on external apps. It's the kind of feature typically reserved for flagship devices, and its presence here shows Samsung's push to bring advanced AI capabilities into the mid-range category. Even with all this information already available, Samsung has yet to officially confirm the launch date for these devices. However, the fact that they are already appearing in retail stores strongly indicates that an announcement is imminent. It's highly unusual for smartphones to be fully stocked, priced, and accessorized before launch unless the official reveal is just around the corner. Looking at the broader strategy, these leaks highlight Samsung's direction for 2026. The company seems focused on delivering higher value in the mid-range segment by combining powerful hardware, generous storage options, and meaningful AI features. This approach could make the Galaxy A57 5G one of the strongest contenders in its category. Design-wise, the unboxing video suggests a clean and modern look, consistent with Samsung's current design language. Multiple color options further enhance its appeal, particularly for younger users who want both style and performance. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A37 appears to strike a balance between affordability and capability. It covers all the essentials while still offering respectable specs, making it a reliable choice for everyday users. At this point, the only missing piece is official confirmation. Once Samsung announces these devices globally, they could quickly gain traction, especially in markets where mid-range smartphones dominate. With early leaks, real-world unboxings, and retail listings already building momentum, expectations are high. Now it all depends on how Samsung positions these phones at launch and whether global pricing remains as competitive as what we've seen in Thailand.